Huh? What's she up to now?
No way! This is wild!
Can I see?
Nope.
Oh, yeah? Hey! Psst! Teacher!
What? What is it?
Guess who's got a laptop in class?
What? Young lady out! Now! Ugh, snitch! You're so done!
Ugh, I didn't mean for her to get kicked out. I'll fix this. First, color this paper like so. Cut in half. Let's build. Glue the edges, like this. Bottom's done. Let's top it with this cover. Not bad. Now the top half. Grab this sticky frame. Prep it for glue. Done! Flip it. And stick it here. Press those edges tight. Let's add ears and a cute kitty face. Aww. Time for spring bits. Pop them in. Make the keyboard next. Connect the pieces. Bam! Cutest mini laptop ever! Ooh, she's back.
Ready to pay for that, snitch?
Sorry. Here, it's for you.
Give me that. Wait, what is this? Whoa, it's adorable! And it works?
You like it?
Shush, I'm gaming here. Teacher's not taking this laptop. Awesome!
Hey, I'm so ready. Ew! Ugh, paint spill! Help me, I hate messes! Seriously? Don't waste paper. What do you mean? Gross! Paint's such a pain. Wait, I got it. Cut the top off the bottle. Paint this cardboard oval. Slap on a thick coat. Perfect. Add glue to the caps. Stick them around the oval, like that. Now fill each one with paint. Let's go! More colors is more fun. This no-spill palette is genius. Time to try it out. Paint pickup smooth. Now I can chill and paint. Close up the unused ones so the paint stays fresh. I'm a total genius! Ew! What is this flavor? Ugh, gum's dead. Huh?
No flavor, no mercy. Bye, gum.
Ooh, that gives me an idea. Wait, stick it under the desk? Ew, gross! Trash and stuff ain't my vibe. But I know just what to do. Grab a cup, snip here. Perfect. Slide in a little cardboard. There. Take a second cup. Trim it too. Stack them. Test the fit. Lid on. Tape it up. Mini trash bin done. This is where gum goes.
Huh? What?
Watch this. Boom! Now ditch your gum too.
Or what?
Nothing, just saying. And now it's clean. Ooh, gotta write this down.
Hey! Work, you stupid thing! Ugh, phone's dead.
Oh no! Phones aren't even allowed!
No worries. I'll save it.
Huh? Who's got a phone?
That's mine.
Yep. Oh, She's always got a phone. Whatever. Thanks.
Focus on class now.
She saved me. Gotta thank her. Wait. Start with pink. Now blue. Nice. Cut the shapes out. Add some fun little details. Cute face. Nailed it. Blushy cheeks. So adorable. Fold the base. Do a back trick. Glue around the edge. 3D magic. Time for magnets. Yes! One for each half. Boom! Custom charms, baby! So cool. Psst.
Huh?
Here.
For me?
Look, it's cute, right?
I guess. Okay, it's actually really cute. Prisoner. Ready to get out?
For real?
You're free.
Finally!
Here's your stuff. Now scram! Oh no! You're headed straight to school.
What the heck?
Oh my, what are you wearing?
Just regulars.
Terrible boots.
What? Time for a locker trip.
Whoa! How dare you!
Huh? Where's the music coming from?
Oh yeah, party time! Let's light it up, girls!
Wow, they're having a blast! Students, today you have a math exam.
Yay!
Dang it! Here are your tests. Oh, one more thing. You're on the clock. Start! What? This can't be happening!
This'll be fun.
The answer here is 120.
Wrong.
What? Whatever. Let's check the answers. Huh? Cheating! Oh! Put away the phone now! Darn.
Oh my gosh.
Time for plan B. Good thing I wrote down the answers. What the? Toss that cheat sheet! Fine. Man. Oh, this could come in handy.
Hey!
Shh. Keep it down. Huh?
Need help?
Really?
Look here. First, multiply the top numbers. Write the results, then do the same with the bottom ones. See?
And here?
Here you multiply crosswise, just like this. Simple.
Oh, I think I get it. Calculate crosswise, add them up, and write it down. Seems to work. Time's up!
Ooh.
Show what you've got. Let's see. You did okay. And you did great. No surprise.
My drawing's perfect for the art project. Awesome!
What colors and depth. Wonderful.
Really? Huh?
Watch out!
How dare you!
Oops. Looks like her painting got smudged.
You're gonna get it!
No! Big deal.
No, I'm above this.
Bye-bye. So, what do you think? Average. Dang. Oh. Time to switch tactics. Let's use this. Just need a jar. Mark the diameter on the foam and cut out. Now add paint to the jar. Insert the foam and close the lid. Shake well, and it's ready to paint. Let's make a doodle-style drawing. Perfect. Oh yeah. Sorry, but a new masterpiece just appeared. And now? Much better. Thank you. Darn. Gotta make amends. Oh. Good thing I made 2 drawings. Hey, come here.
What now? Yes?
This is for you.
Unexpected.
Put it here. Great job! Well done! High five!
I'm grateful.
Moving on.
My supplies are ready.
Not bad. I brought mine too. Let's see. I think this pencil will do.
If you say so.
You need to draw geometric shapes. Ooh.
The ruler will help.
Two can play this game. Oh my gosh. I'd better try drawing freehand. Like this.
That's it! Oh my! We're ready!
Ugh, how crooked! What? Excellent, well done!
Thank you!
That's not fair.
Listen. Oh, give me that! I have an idea! Let's take the ruler wrapper and draw centimeter marks like this. Now add numbering. Perfect! Now let's grab some slime. And fill our wrapper with it. Just like that. Super! Decorate with stickers, and done! Here, now it'll be easier for you.
What? Wow! Thanks! Let's see what this ruler can do. It actually works! Better? Yes, that's okay. Cool! It worked!
Oh, maybe it's time for another read? Harsh. What time is it? Oh no! Gotta run!
Well, let's have some fun. I know. Looks like a little mistake here. I'm so funny.
What?
Good day. I'm ready to learn. You're late. What do you mean? Ah, looks like the clock's broken. Out of the classroom!
Punctuality is key.
Darn clocks. I know what to do. Take a sheet, fold it like this, and fold again. Now make a small clock face. Set it here. And stick on the film. Great. Take another sheet and make a strap, like this. Connect them together and test. Draw and erase. Super! Now write a reminder. And done. Just watch. And if needed, time can be changed. Much better. So, time for a change. You may go.
Okay. I'll be back soon. Wow, cool watch. Wanna trade?
Sure. I made another one. Here, take it. Cool.
Did you make this heart for me? Thanks.
You're welcome. Oops, let's run or we'll be late. Have a seat.
Thanks.
Let's move to biology. What? Yes, I'm listening. Got an idea. Oh, yes.
What's he doing?
Hey, look. I made a heart.
Huh? Very cute, but here's the thing. Here's a real heart.
What?
I'll explain. Blood comes in here. See?
Yeah?
Then blah 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 blah.
Oh my gosh. I know what to do. First, trim the balloon. Good thing I brought tomato juice. Perfect. Now stretch the balloon over the glass. And make a couple of holes. Set a couple of straws like this. And seal one of them. Hey, look!
And so… Oh, what's this?
Watch the hand. The heart works like this, right?
Absolutely! Can I try? Astonishing!
You bet! Great work!
So I'll try to draw a circle. Almost.
Not bad.
Wow, you drew a perfect circle? How?
Using this. Let me show you.
Here you go.
Thank you.
First, place the sheet like this. Then take 2 pencils. And spin the sheet.
Wow! Great rotation around the axis.
There you go. Oh, I can also draw a pentagram.
Cool!
Watch.
Huh? What's going on?
Oh no! Stop! Got an idea! Ah! Where am I? No!
Ow. What was that?
Let's run to the library to find out.